Hi everyone, welcome back to the Hittech Laser channel. Today we're going to challenge our Gantry type fiber laser marking machine with a long format job engraving a 50 cm ruler on stainless steel. Stainless steel reacts beautifully under fiber laser, giving you a dark and permanent engraving that will never wear off. If you want to mark long products with high precision, contact Hittech Laser anytime. We'll recommend the best configuration based on your application.